Watch me ride.
Hello, this is just a quick update on the things that I've made recently and what's available in my store at the moment, because I've added quite a few things and I haven't really said about it yet because I'm still well, I've literally just finished clocks. Let's just get on with it. So things currently still in stock that have been available for a short while. This is the last resin cast, bullet resin cast I have. It's one of the best ones, 9mm bullets. Very nice. This is available in my store. I won't be making any more of these till next year probably, because the temperatures you need to get this stuff to cure properly are much, much higher than it currently is in here. So that is available, last one. Quick insert, don't know how I forgot this. The Spice 110 calendars. Thank you very much to everyone that bought one up until now. I've been doing them in batches of 10 in the past couple of loads that I've ordered. I've just sold the last one, and it took so long to sell that last one that I'm feeling very cautious about getting any more. So if you do want one of the calendars, and you absolutely definitely will buy one if I get them, say so in the comments, because if I can then see at least 10, I will get 10 more, and that will be the very last 10. On with the video! If you go to my Etsy store, you can see some proper pictures of this. This is a clock I made from a Team Marussia Formula 1 gear. This gear here is from the Formula 1 car. I'm not sure if it was used, it looks pretty new, but it's definitely for it, the markings and everything. Go to the page, you can read about it. And I'm also including this lovely piece of velvety material to sit it on, thanks to Chesterfield Sofas of the UK. But yeah, that is currently available. I know the price on it is, some might think it's high. Some people are out there selling this sort of thing for twice this price. And I'm being fair in the price that it is. So if it doesn't sell, it doesn't sell, but it is something quite special. Continuing on with clocks, I have this one. I have wire wheeled and polished this, and it's now starting to get its colour. Basically metal, when you polish it and you give it a while, it sort of oxidises slightly, and you get these really nice mottled colours. So this will darken a little bit more than this as time goes on, but it will look super cool. But it's a big one again, so I advise hanging this from one of the top holes rather than the mechanism on the back. Oh, I've got to sign those still as well. I don't even know what number it is yet because I've got to work that one out. Another one of my welded chain clocks. I can't remember what this is from. I'm going to try and find out because I know it all came together from one bike, and I'll do my best to track through the videos and work out what it is and put it in the description of this item when it's on sale. And if I don't find out till later, I'll let the person know where it's from, what bike it's from. But obviously it's from something, probably a 600 or something. It's been all welded together on the back. Again, I need to sign this. But yeah, that's also available on the store. I've only made about 5 of these, I think, and 2 of those were for Chase on 2 wheels. But you don't just get this clock, you also get 2 keychains, and I'll show you those, well, next. Okay, so from the remainder of the chain from making that clock, I made 10 keychains. 2 of them are going to go to the person who purchases that clock, so you'll have 2 keychains made from the same thing that your clock's made from. Thought it'd be cool to have. Little extra. So the rest of them, they're going on my Etsy store. You can buy them. As you can see, these are O-ring chains from a used motorcycle chain, so they are marked quite a bit. You know, they're clean, they're free moving as much as an O-ring chain is, because obviously an O-ring chain kind of keeps its shape. But yeah, just a few of those are available. Something different. I have just a handful of the distressed look keychains left. These are ones which I've wire wheeled the hell out of them to give them this really cool look. What I've also done is made quite a few of these ones. As you can see, it's quite a plain chain. That actually, quite a few of them don't have any markings on them at all. I did consider trying to sign them. It didn't go well. It's not enough space, so I can't do that. But these are just very basic little keychains, very free moving, fun to play with. Reno thinks they're little worms. She can't help but see that as like a little eye, and they're like, yeah. But I'm also doing these £1 cheaper than the other keychains, just because I felt like having a cheaper option there. These aren't quite as spectacular as the other ones, but I actually think they look really nice, and they're very plain gunmetal grey look, and they're very loose. And last but not least, the stickers are back in stock. You get 2 in a pack. I have to chop them up individually myself, and then I sign the back of them, send them out to you. I haven't had these, as I say, for a few months. I've got quite a few of them, so if you're after one, grab one. Obviously in buying any of these items, although they have their own value for what they are, you know, I put a lot of work into them. It also helps support me and my channel. So if you do grab a keychain or something, I really do appreciate it. It helps support me massively. To give you an example, one of these of the cheap keychains, That is the equivalent of about 6,000 or 7,000 views on my channel. Like, seriously, it's a huge help. Oh yeah, and one last thing, these keychains are mine, the fabric ones, like the Spice 110 one and the Beef one. These are available from Motoloot. If you go to the description, you can see that. Because of where these come from, you might not get these in time for Christmas, but all the other stuff I've shown you is me sending it out, so I'm pretty sure I should be able to get it to you before Christmas. They're also available. Right, well that's enough of me trying to sell me wares. That is YouTube of 2018. We now have to support ourselves through doing strange things like this. And I'm very appreciative to the people who appreciate that I went in a different direction to most, rather than going to 100% crowdfunding, you know, like trying to get the people to pay for the channel. Although I do really appreciate that people help me with that, it's massively helpful. People seem to have appreciated that I was like, I'm going to make things with my hands and sell them, and it became its own thing, that if Article 13 happens and it all goes down the pan, I will still be making these things and trying to sell them. It will just be harder to get them to your eyes. Anyway, end the video there. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video and the other content on the channel, please consider following the links in the description to show your support.